Hi, hello everybody. This is Ali Reza and that's my wife Masuma. We are shooting for the season special for Guru Digital for Valentine's Day and here we are. So I've done with the introduction. You can start the show, whatever you want. And by the way, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, dear.
Happy Valentine's Day. Where's my gift?
Anniversary, you want a gift. Valentine's Day, you want a gift.
Obvious.
Like I've got married to you only to give you gifts only.
Valentine's Day, how can it be possible that gift is not there?
Okay, one heart balloon, 5 rupees, I'll give you.
Give now.
No, I don't have.
Give?
I don't have. Every year on Valentine's Day, it is me who have to give you surprises. It is always not me. It is always guys. Girls express only from guy. Okay, ये आएगा मेरे को अभी surprise देगा, gift देगा, अंगूठी देगा, balloon देगा, heart देगा, teddy bear देगा.
ऐसे ही
Why is it always that?
All the girls out there, ऐसे ही होता है क्या नहीं? ऐसे ही होता है. Valentine's Day के दिन you have to give me gift.
I have given my life to you.
What life? Even I have given my life. I've left Mumbai and I've come to Hyderabad.
You have given your life once. I'm giving my life every day.
So it actually started.
Huh?
3 years before our marriage.
You are telling, not me.
3 years before our marriage. His father and my father are friends. Okay, so they gave his father gave him my number. So this bhai sahab is message not
Bhai sahab.
this sweet little husband of mine messaged me normally saying that listen, my father gave me your number, but I think so they are planning to get us married, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, and so we can only be friends. So this started like that.
I was clear from the very first
Yeah,
day.
he was clear from the very first day.
She pass out me.
Wait, I will tell you the story. So I felt इसमें बहुत ego है, attitude है. So I was like, okay, no problem. We started chatting with each other. After that, I was an air hostess. I used to work with Jet Airways. I was an air hostess. So I used to come for a layover to Hyderabad. So whenever I used to come to Hyderabad, I used to message him that Ali, I am here in Hyderabad. So he used to, or no, I am coming to Hyderabad. So when I used to message him, I am coming to Hyderabad. He used to say, yeah, come, we will meet. And when I used to come to Hyderabad, he used to not even reply to my messages. So he used to not reply to my messages. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, no problem. ऐसे ही almost 2 years, 3 years गया. And then once अचानक से out of nowhere, it was his birthday on the 24th, and I think so 4-5 days later.
A week later, he messaged me saying it was my birthday. You did not message me. I am in Mumbai. Then it all started with that one message of Ali Reza. Yellow.
Right.
Ali Reza.
Yes, but you cannot say your name. Bol. Obviously, it will not be Tollywood. It will be
Shaktiman.
Okay, this is -1 for it. इसको नहीं पता. बोल नहीं पता.
Sleeping.
Sleeping के अलावा.
Huh?
Sleeping के अलावा.
More sleeping.
I love sleeping.
So you agree with?
Okay.
Mobile. No. Mobile.
Mobile. Actually, you can say your biggest addiction is sleeping.
No. Mobile. I can say 2 bad things about you, na, in one interview.
My favorite perfume.
You've got so many.
Yeah, but still one can be my favorite.
I give up.
So it's Versace Pink Crystal and Burberry Body. See, you don't know anything.
This interview,
Okay,
these guys
no,
are put
okay,
to
okay.
irkofy me.
Okay.
These guys will take the camera and they will go. He will pester me like hell. तेरे को मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं पता?
Obvious, he should know it's 3 years.
Huh? These guys will get content. They will take their cameras. They will go. They don't know what is going to happen afterwards to me.
Okay. My favorite street food.
Street food.
What?
Suka puri. Okay, so which was the first vehicle we sat in together?
Rickshaw.
I took her on my first date in rickshaw.
In rickshaw.
రిక్షా అంటే ఆటోలో మన బాంబేలో
Yeah.
ఆటోని రిక్షా అంటారు. సో
Auto rickshaw.
ఆ ఫస్ట్ డేట్ వాజ్ ఇన్ ఆటో. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్ థింగ్ దట్ ఐ కెనాట్ లివ్ వితౌట్?
Can't live without gym. You have to have gym. There is so many things. Gym, coffee. Morning mein you need coffee. Without coffee you go mad.
దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ మెటీరియలిస్టిక్. టెల్ మీ సంథింగ్.
You can't
Proper.
live without me.
ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు.
You know?
ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే డార్లింగ్స్, ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం కవర్లింగ్ ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూలోనే చేసుకోవాలి మనం.
Hey, I understand Telugu.
ఓకే.
You can't live without me.
నో.
Okay, next.
What is my favorite color?
It can be red.
Cat.
मतलब दो है, रेड है, ब्लैक है, कभी कभी ब्लू भी है. So
Blue is
red-
never my favorite
okay,
color.
Red and black. Red and black.
Tell me the favorite position of sleeping. My favorite position of sleeping.
You sleep on your left hand side.
Why?
Because I sleep on your right hand side. What do you call that? A touch. He wants my one touch. That is enough for him.
Either I will have her hand or
Yeah.
I will have my leg on her.
Yeah,
Something or
one
the other.
touch is enough.
Okay, where I love to be the most.
घर पे. He wants only to sit at home. अच्छे से पकड़ना, तेरी बीवी है.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy Valentine's Day to us. Oh, my cake is so soft. And soft like my heart. And we have got less sugar on our cake because you don't eat cake.
Thank you so much.
So you have to finish.
Thank you so much, Guru Films, Guru Digital.
Thank you so much Guru Digital for this yummy cake जो हम लोग ने अभी तक खाया नहीं है.
Okay.
This is the calendar of our last show. Oh wow.
Okay. This is for you.
This is for me.
All your products only.
Thank you so much
Thank you so much, Guru Digital.
for assistance.
So, thank you so much, Guru Digitals, and all the sponsors for all the gifts and this amazing interview, and our team right here, especially Azhar. He asked me to take his name, and his talent is shown here. Elena and my friend. Sorry, bro, I didn't get your name. Sai, and our director, Nazar. And you want to say something?
I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much, Guru Digital. And thank you all of y'all, Elena, who was coordinating with me.
Thank you so much for bringing
Azhar
this,
and the
cake.
director. Yes, and thank you so much for the cake. It was a lovely, 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 lovely shoot with you.
Basically, there are many things that I got to know about her from this interview. తర్వాత ఏం జరగబోతుందో నాకు కూడా తెలీదు. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే కొంచెం సేఫ్ గానే ఉంటాను. స్ట్రేట్ ఫేస్ పెట్టి మాట్లాడితే ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ కూడా అర్థం కాదు.
Telugu.
సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. మీరు ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళిపోతారు, ఫోన్ పక్కన పడేస్తారు, దీని తర్వాత దోలు తీరిపోతుంది. నమస్కారం. లవ్ యూ ఆల్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.